Welcome students. Today's our topic is Prehistoric Tamilagam. Last class we discussed about Prehistoric India. In this session we discuss about Prehistoric Tamilagam. Palaeolithic period 2 lakhs years to 8000 BC. BCE era is going on descending order. Next, we are going to discuss about lower Palaeolithic culture in Tamilagam. Hominins, one of the oldest stronger Stone Age tool made by human ancestors are hominins. Example, Homo erectus. Their evidences are found in Kosatalaya river. It was known as cradle of our human ancestor. Next, evidences of stone tools. First oldest stone tools are founded in Adirampakkam in Tamilnadu. Lomikvi stone tools are the oldest stone tools in the world. Next one evidences are archaeological excavation. Archaeological excavation refers to digging undertaken to recover archaeological evidences such as stone tools, pottery, animal bones, and pollens in order to understand the past lives of human. This pottery was the most important archaeological evidences. It was found in Megalithic period. The Megalithic people burying dead body in the pot. From this, we can understand the lifestyle of our Megalithic people. Next important evidences, cosmic ray exposure dating. What is cosmic ray? It is the most high energy radiation coming from solar system. How it was used? A method in which exposure to cosmogenic ray is used for dating the samples. Another one important evidence of the prehistoric period were Sir Robert Bruce Foote discovered the first Palaeolithic tools in India at Pallavaram. He was a geologist. Who were geologists? Who studied geology? They were called as geologists. What is geology? It is the study about Earth related to humans. Tools discovered by Robert Foote are now founded in Chennai Museum. But it was first founded in Kudiyam Cave. It was the most important archaeological site in Tamil Nadu. It was known as the rock shelter of South India. Now it was located in Tiruvallur district near Pudi Reservoir. Next, another one important of the prehistoric period was Madras stone tool industry. It was a research center. It assembled all the hand axes of our human ancestors in chronological order. Next, we see about the founding places of our stone tools. Lower Paleolithic culture, peoples are used three types of stones. They are quartzite pebbles, cobbles, basalt rock. We are founding these stones are Pallavaram, Kudiyam Cave, Adirampakkam, Vadamadurai, North Arcot and Dharmaburi. Next, what were the raw materials? They are used for stone making. Quartzite pebbles. It was a hard stone, but it was not a layer. It was found in metamorphic rock. Cobbles stones are square in shape. Basalt rocks are dark in color, but it was coming from igneous rock. Next, what were the tools they are used? Hand axes, cleavers. they don't have knowledge about iron and pottery making. Uses of tools. Wooden and bone handles were used for cutting, piercing, and taking the meat. Their main occupation was hunting wild animals, gathered natural fruits, roots, and nuts. Next, we discuss about Middle Paleolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Middle Paleolithic culture emerged during 3,85,000 to 1,72,000 years ago. Middle Paleolithic tools were coarse, flakes, scrapers, knives, borers, levolution, flakes, hand axes, and cleavers. These tool types became smaller in size. Already we discussed about these tools in prehistoric India. What were the places we are found out it? Puthupatti, Sivarakottai, Tanjavur, Ariyalur. This place was Ariyalur. Ariyalur is very famous for agricultural nursery. Most of the ancient evidences are found out there. Next, we discuss about Upper Paleolithic culture. In many parts of the world and in some parts of India, Upper Paleolithic culture succeeded in the Middle Paleolithic culture. It means we are find out many evidences in prehistoric Indian culture. For example, we find out sculpture, painting, and stone tools in Upper Paleolithic culture. But in Tamil Nadu, there is no evidences for Upper Paleolithic culture. Next, we discuss about Mesolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. This cultural period occurs between Paleolithic and Neolithic culture. It is known as Mesolithic culture or Middle Stone Age. What were the tools they were used? They are used scrapers. Scrapers are tools used for scraping the surfaces. Scrapers are similar to the tools used in the kitchen for removing skin of vegetable. Likewise, they are removing the meats of animals. Next, they are used triangular stones. It was in triangle shape. Lunettes. Already we discussed about this stone. Lunettes are tools in the shape of crescent. Tools found in places of Mesolithic period: Chennai, North Arcot, Dharmapudi, Salem, Coimbatore, Ariyalur, Tiruchirappalli, Pudukkottai, Madurai, Sivagangai, Tirunelveli, and Kanyakumari. The terry sites are very important in the Mesolithic culture. The terry sites are located near Thoothukudi. What is meant by terry? Terry is a sites having red sand dunes. So it was called as terry. Next, we discuss about Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Neolithic period is known as revolutionary period because it sowed the seeds for the agriculture, domestication of animal, invention of wheels, and making pottery. The culture that domesticated animals and cultivated crops is called Neolithic. It is known as the New Stone Age. Neolithic people used a new method in baking pottery. This process was known as burnishing. What is meant by burnishing? They made pottery using a slow wheel called turntable or made pottery out of hand. Before firing, the pottery was polished with pebbles. This process is known as burnishing. Next, we discuss about the crops. What were the crops they are cultivated? Wheat, barley, and pears were cultivated around 10,000 years ago. Fruit and nuts trees were cultivated around 4000 BC. They comprised olives, figs, dates, pomegranates, and grapes. Next, what were the tools they are used? The Neolithic tools are very sharp, polished, it having handle also. Moreover, they are used microlithic tools also. What were their main occupation? Cattle rearing was their main occupation. They lived in small villages with houses made of thatched roof and walls plastered with clay. In Paleolithic, people lived in caves only, but these people settled in one place and lived houses also. What were the places we are founding for tools? Payyamballi in Vellore district is very important place in Paleolithic culture. This place was located in Dharmaburi region. Can you see the map? Payyamballi. At Payyamballi, the earliest evidences for the domestication of animals and cultivation of plants is found at this site, which was excavated by Archaeological Survey of India. Evidences for pottery making and cultivation of horse gram and cream gram has been found in this village. From these evidences, we can understand that they know about agriculture. Like Payyamballi, we are find out so many evidences from Keeladi also. It is the excavation site in Sangam period. It is maintained by Archaeological Survey of India. These settlements lies on the bank of river Vaigai. So it was called as Vaigai Nadi cultivation. So many excavated materials are found there. Today's assignment: explain about archaeological excavation, write about cosmic ray exposure, list out the Middle Paleolithic tool finding places in Tamil Nadu, describe the Neolithic culture in Tamil Nadu. Thank you, students.